Welcome to Mars Base Camp and our final mission, Mission 4, Insight from Mars. Insight from Mars is an introductory coding activity that teaches the youth how to use code as they present interesting things that they have discovered on Mars. The activity in Mars Base Camp help youth imagine that they are the first human explorers on the red planet. In Insight to Mars, they will think about all the interesting things they might have seen and then learn on the surface of Mars before coding an imaginative story using Scratch, a block-based coding language developed by MIT. This story will teach their friends and family back on Earth about their discoveries. This activity can be completed either online or offline, but both options require access to a computer. And here we are, Insight from Mars. Insight from Mars uses an online computer program called Scratch. If you are not familiar with Scratch, there we are. If you are not familiar with Scratch, don't worry. There are lots of tutorials to help you. I have linked one down below in the description box for you to watch, which is wonderful. And it will help explain how to use Scratch, whether you're downloading it or you can download the app from the App Store, or you can have the link to where you can get external site. There is also a longer video that's 17 minutes that will show you how to create a fun little game using many of the Scratch features. There are thousands of computer games possibilities when you can create with Scratch. So here are, this right here, what they've included in this mission is the coding cards that you need to do to create your story online. So I'll leave you to here. It's been great working with you in these last 4 missions, and hopefully someday we'll meet on Mars.